Hey, this is Fran and today I'm going to review and demo Kamen Rider Geats DX Oneness Race Buckle. So here it is, the item that allows Geats to access to its final form, the Kamen Rider Geats Oneness. Well, this item was actually a Kamen Rider Gotchard special campaign item because this form was actually appeared in a Kamen Rider Geats movie, which also had a Kamen Rider Gotchard appearance. You will get this once you purchase the DX Gotchard driver or the set, but for a limited time. Unlike some fancy DX stuff that came in a box, this one is came inside this plastic bag with instructions on it. So, very fancy, huh? It also includes the Geats Ride Chemi card, Oneness version, and the Oneness ID core, which is actually a movie giveaway item, but not included on the bundle, so I brought it for $3, which is a nice price. Unlike the other DX item that already came with a battery on it, this is not. You have to load it with two LR44 batteries. To access this form, Mark III race buckle will be needed. And here comes the demo. Enjoy! And that's it for now. I hope you enjoy. Until the next video, ciao.